We are at Motorola stands in Barcelona with the two latest devices. Probably some of you have already seen the DEXT that is already in some abroad market but not yet in Italy. Then there is the Quench, that is a full touchscreen, very thin. Let's start with the hardware characteristic of the DEXT. DEXT is 58 per 140 per 15.6 millimeter with 163 grams. As you can see, has a complete QWERTY keyboard, really sweet, huge keys, 4 lines. Then there is the joypad, 5 directions. The screen is a 3.1 inch classical resolution of 320 by 480 pixel, Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, quadriband GSM with GPRS and Edge connectivity, but also UMTS, HSDPA, balance of the volume, micro USB to sync and to charge. Then there is a lock and lock the screen that puts the silent mode or not silent mode. On the top, 3.5mm jack. The lock and lock button is this one. This was just for the silent. Camera button, camera on the back is a 5 megapixel without focus, no LED flash, motor blur for the user interface. On board we have Android, of course. The version is the 1.5 but will be upgradable to the 2.0, so will come in the next month. But let's go on the new model that Motorola just presented here in Barcelona, the Quench. As you can see, it's really thin. We are talking about 59.4mm, 116.7 per 12.3 millimeter, with a weight of just 123 grams. So pretty, really not heavy. Also because they did a great job for the materials, but also in balancing the phone in the end. You have the screen that is 3.1 inch, the same, a classical resolution 320 by 480, 65,000 colors, speaker. Then you have 4 keys that are mechanical. Then you have a 5-direction joypad, but you can see is it optical, so it really helps. You don't need to click, but you can also click and work also mechanically, but also you can scroll it with your finger because it's optical. The other keys are just mechanical. The speakers are here, stereo. Here comes the microphone. On the side you have the lock and lock screen, camera button. Camera button is on the back. There is autofocus with 5 megapixel and LED flash. On board you have still Android 1.5, but it will come the 2.0 very soon. Of course there is Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, there is UMTS, HSDPA. As you can see, the latest Moto Blue version 5 screen. Everything works with a good touch. The processor is not the Snapdragon, but it's working pretty good. The video, you can make video of 24 frames at HDGA resolution, so it's really a good point for the camera. You have this shape on the back that really helps to hold the phone. 3.5mm jack, so you can use standard headphone, and micro USB port to sync and to charge. This phone will come on the market very soon in Italy. We don't know yet the price, but we expect to be really less than the Master. For CellulareMagazine.it, Emilio Vignapiano from the Motorola standard with the DEXT and the Quench.